Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add your very own filter here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps out the channel with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so to add a filter, the first thing we want to do is find a clip we'd like to apply the filter to. So let's add this one and add it to our timeline. Next up we're going to go to the very top of our screen and click on filters. From here we can see there's lots and lots of different options, and of course we can also filter those down here on the left hand side. So let's go for a nice retro scene. Let that load these up, and of course I can click if I want to preview what the filter would look like. Also not that one. What about this one? That one's a lot better. Now we do is drag and drop this over to the video. Now you can see we do need to extend it because otherwise the filter will end as soon as it gets to this point. So just drag it to the point in the video you'd like the filter to stop. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.